Hey guys, hey, we are back guys. It is another brand new day and we are back with another episode of Lifestyle Entertainment right here on MX Breaks on MX24. Guys, we've got so much going on, so many things for you, and I'm right here to give you all the juice in Ghana and around the world. So a couple of different things. Sarkodie is back with the freestyle, and in the Heights, movie climbs to second position. Guys, it's MX Breaks Lifestyle Entertainment. Let's dive right in. In the time leading to the drop of the album No Pressure, Sarkodie has been releasing little gems for his fans. He recently dropped Coachella alongside Kwesi Arthur, which has been doing very well. But that's not all. It seems to have so much more in store. The rapper has just dropped a freestyle that's already managed to trend. The freestyle was a hit, giving advice on young men on the trend of some women asking to be sent mobile money. Of course, you guys know that resonates heavily with the youth. And, you know, I've got you guys covered. We've got a quick clip of that, so let's check it out. We've all been waiting, and it seems, finally, the government is going to pay attention. Cinemas in Ghana are finally scheduled to reopen. Guys, I'm excited. The government has announced that finally, after over the year, under lock and key, citizens can officially sit in cinemas. But it's not going to be just that easy. The government has decided on extensive list of rules and regulations for the cinemas and the public. If any of them aren't followed, the cinema risks to be shut down. That part of the industry has really suffered, with Silverbirds sharing that they'd lost almost 2 million due to COVID. So guys, what would be the first movie you would want to go and watch once the cinemas reopen? I had a friend who told me they'd watch Quiet Place. I might watch In the Heights. You never know. What would be the first movie you would watch when cinemas are open? Let us know at MX24GH. Still with movies, the movie adaptation of In the Heights, originally written by Lin-Manuel Miranda, has been making waves following the release into cinemas. The story is about a young man trying to make ends meet when suddenly someone on his street wins a lottery. For a very long time, In the Heights has been a play and a Broadway musical, but now it's being translated into a movie musical for the big screen. It did very well at the box office, but still only managed to come in second place to The Quiet Place 2. And we've got the trailer right here for you, so let's check that out as well. The Queen of England, though often seen as an unattainable person, sometimes does funny things that bring tears of joy into our eyes. Next year, she will be celebrating 70 years on the throne. That's older than most of our grandparents. In a recent event with the Duchess of Cambridge and planning volunteers, the Queen was presented a celebratory cake. She was offered a knife to cut it, but instead preferred to use a sword, a whole sword, to cut the cake. And we've got that right here. Let's take a look. That's all we've got for you today. Can you imagine? It's already done. But we'll be back here tomorrow, same time, same place. You've got Kevoy. So this was all for Lifestyle Entertainment. I'll be back tomorrow. See you guys. Bye.